How to enable dark mode in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So basically, in order to enable the dark mode, what you can simply do is scroll down the status bar and then swipe to your different options. So here you can see the option of dark mode. So tap on it and it will now turn on the dark mode and enable the dark mode in Android. Next, what you can do is go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and tap on display, and here you can see the option of schedule dark mode. So tap on it and you can just toggle on the schedule dark mode. You can tap on custom where you can schedule the time of dark mode according to your time, or you can also tap on sunset to sunrise and go back. You can select the dark mode option over here easily as well and then go back and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.